Hi guys, we have here, or I have here, a Karcher WD2 Plus. I believe it was recommended to me, so I want to try it out. I haven't tried it yet, so let's see. It's a wet and dry hoover. It comes with dust collection bag. Wow, look at this hose. Wow, this is a long hose. Look at this. Wow. Woo. It's quite exciting because I've never had a hoover for working. Not like this. Look at the feet. Look. Yeah. It's got no brushing now. I don't know where that one is. Nice long hose. Oh. And this machine. Wow, it feels so quality. Let's have a look then. Okay. I hope I can help people who want a wet and dry for work. You got attachment for the head, one side rubber, one side bristle. It's quite strong. They feel quite solid. And I suppose that clicks in like that. That's quite good. I don't know if you can take it out. Oh, you can take it out. You've got clips here. Push them out, and it clips out quite easy. That's good. So if you want to replace it or you want to wash it in the dishwasher, cool. Yes. And you don't get one, but you get two extensions, so you can get to hard to reach areas like maybe under the bath, under the floorboards. That goes in there.